and because I have an artist way. For you, don't worry. You are 20 years the points of slavery. For you, when I start my job, my work, can I make one good party, really? Not I wait or you saying if I make one party, I have money from you, from slavery 20 years, from points. you are you are in logic, you waiting if I start my work in this logic way, the logic of energy of all these things. Later can I make party? Yes, of course I'm an artist, but it's not that to give me life. That has given me slavery. And our world it's poisoned. It's not healthy. And when I make the right work als logic can I play and for you party with likes. That is happy and for you not is this can giving me fry you are stupid the art in all the ways in the world is the pointers in the time. Auf Wiedersehen.